Are you tired of spending hours editing podcasts and videos with little reward? You're not alone. Every minute wasted adds up, leading to burnout and creative fatigue. Why settle when you could streamline your process? Descript is the solution, transforming your editing experience with advanced methods that enhance productivity and lessen frustration. As Matt Medeiros from the podcast Setup shares, Descript isn't just an editing tool, but a gateway to high-quality content. With Descript, you can edit using a script, canvas, or timeline, allowing for versatility in your workflow. Memorizing keyboard shortcuts can supercharge your editing speed, reducing the time spent fumbling through menus while you create. With a single click, you can efficiently remove distracting filler words without ruining the natural flow of conversation. Get rid of audio imperfections using AI tools that enhance sound and bring clarity to your recordings effortlessly. Collaboration becomes a breeze with Descript, allowing seamless feedback and shared links for a rich creative journey together.